Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to solve Android Auto not connecting to car screen issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Android Auto not connecting to car with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Try reconnecting the device. Since you are unable to connect your Android device directly to your car. So, once try reconnecting your phone to car and check for the problem. To do so, you have to restart your smartphone. Turn on the Android Auto app on your phone. Disconnect your phone from the car and try connecting them again. Solution 2. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless Android Auto. You can use Android Auto in 2 modes, wired and wireless. If you're using wireless Android Auto, it's essential to turn on your Android smartphone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi toggles. Solution 3. Clear Android Auto app cache and data. The accumulated cache files of Android Auto app sometimes go corrupt and doesn't let your Android to connect with car. Clearing out the cache and data of the app can help you in fixing it. To do this, you need to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Android Auto app. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Update Android Auto app. Sometimes an outdated version of Android Auto app can cause a problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section find the Android Auto and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the Android Auto app and check for the problem. Solution 5. Check for system software update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea because new versions bring many new features and bug fixes. Therefore, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, just download it. To do this, go to Settings app. Then find and tap on Software Update. After this, tap on Download and Install. Solution 6. Factory reset your Android phone. Factory resetting your phone is the final solution. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. To do so, open the Settings, go to the System, and click on the Backup and Reset. Then, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. Now, restart your phone. Check if you can connect your Android device to a car. So, this is all about fixing Android Auto not connecting to car screen issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others and also subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.